Hi, I'm attorney John Cannon with Cannon Associates, and today I'm going to be speaking about how you can get out of a bad marriage. Many people think that divorces must be consensual or both parties must agree to file for a divorce. That is not accurate. In the state of Oklahoma, one party to a marriage, a husband, a wife, can file for divorce action without the other side's consent. After you file what's called a petition for divorce, that needs to be served on the other party. If you think that the other party may refuse to respond, you can also attach what's called a summons, and that serves them letting them know that they must file an answer to your petition for divorce within 20 days, or you could seek to have what's called a default, or the court would enter an order of divorce on your behalf without the other party's response. What happens after you file for the petition? Well, the petition lays out all the terms that you are proposing for your divorce. So, what you want to happen with property, what you want to happen with your children, what you want to happen with your house, with the dogs, with everything that may come about as an issue, retirement, vehicles, alimony, spousal support, child support, what you're offering the other side to resolve all of those issues. One of the reasons it's important to have a family law attorney is to help lay those out in an appropriate manner for the court to consider. The other side, if they agree to file what's called a response, an answer, or a counter petition, all the same thing, but basically the other side saying what they agree or don't agree with that you proposed. And then they file their petition or their counter petition saying, well, I want A, B, C, D in the divorce. I want these things to be the agreement for visitation, for custody, for holidays, for alimony, for spousal support. I want the house or don't want the house. I want this retirement account. Then the parties often will confer and sometimes reach an agreement. If the other party doesn't file a response, then you can ask the court to force the issue and move the ball forward. There's much more that we can get into on the details of the divorce process. Visit the website for more information on this timeline, frequently asked questions, and later videos that address those issues. But today I just wanted to speak to you about, can you file for divorce without the other party's agreement? And the answer is yes. In the state of Oklahoma, you can start and file a divorce without the other side's cooperating. And if they refuse to respond or appear, you can ask the family law judge in your case, hopefully with the assistance of your fierce advocate, to finalize your divorce and grant you the decree even without the consent of the other party. Hope this has been helpful answering your questions about how you can file a divorce without the other party's agreement in your marriage. If you have other questions, please feel free to shoot us an email. You can bleach them in the comments down below in this video. And for more helpful information, please subscribe to our YouTube page. Thanks and have a great day.